Hi friend, I'm pretty much excited to come your way today. I'm going to walk you through the installation process for this wonderful SMS and premium shortcode application. The first thing you need to do to get this application deployed online, you need a running website on the internet and access to the cPanel. To do that, you quickly have to type in stuff like this on the address bar of your browser, your site name.com/cpanel. When you launch this on the browser, it gives you this interface you can see clearly. Again, different servers have different cPanel interface, but basically they look alike and they have similar functions. So you're going to type in the right login details into your cPanel, which has to be confidential to you for security purposes. I'm illustrating this using a demo account now. So when doing yours, you have to put the right information the hosting company gave to you for the domain you want to deploy the SMS application on. After typing the right login details for the cPanel, I'm going to click on login. That takes us to the main interface of your cPanel. Like I said earlier, different servers might have different interface, but they basically look alike and they have similar functions. So I'm going to click on no, I'm fine, thank you. I can walk my way through on the cPanel. Right on the cPanel, you're going to find a lot of functions. You don't have to get yourself confused. Just pay attention to the aspect I'm going to click on, and you do same while trying to install this SMS application. Try to locate the files section in your cPanel and just click on File Manager. Clicking on File Manager brings out a pop-up. All you need to do is just click on the Go button. It launches in a new tab. Right. Come back to the default cPanel interface. Right here, scroll down. If your cPanel doesn't look pretty much like this, just try to look for the various section and do the exact processes I'm following right now. Try to identify the databases section or Moodle. Right click on my SQL database wizard. Right click, it gives you several options. Click on open link in a new tab. I'll do that right now. Nice. On this default cPanel interface I'm going to click on subdomains. The essence of clicking on subdomains is simply because I want to deploy this SMS application in a particular directory on my website and not on the root directory. What that means is I want to be able to access this by doing stuff like this. I can say demo sms dot your site name.com. So that means the subdomain I want to deploy this application is demo SMS, and this is the domain I want the application to run on. To do that, you just have to click on subdomains. I'll click on it now and watch it load the interface for me. So I'm going to type the directory I want to deploy the application on, like I said earlier, demo SMS. I'll click here, which is the second field, document root. That is where I want the folder to be in my file manager. I'm going to click on create. Okay, we've gotten the subdomain created automatically. So I'm going to click on my second tab, which is the tab for my file manager. I'll click on go to refresh. You can have the directory come up on the file manager. Here we go. This is demo SMS. So you just have to double click on this. Nice. You can see the directory is quite empty. So you click on upload. Upload enables you to pick up the SMS application anywhere it's downloaded on your local computer. So I'll click on upload. It takes me to this interface. I'm going to use the choose file function to access my local computer. I'll click on choose file. This is the application here. I'll click on it so I can log and upload into the server. As you can see, it's uploading the file into the server right on the directory created for the subdomain. Nice, we're done with this. I'll simply come back to my file manager. I'll click on go to refresh my page. You can see the zip file here. All I've got to do is to right click on this file and select extract, meaning I want to extract the files in this zip folder right on this directory. So I'll click on extract files. I'm done extracting. I'm going to click on close. I'll come back and click on go to refresh this, and you can see the files right on the server. The next step is to come to my third tab, which is the MySQL database wizard, where I'm going to create a database, create an account, and link them together automatically. You call your database any name of your choice. I'll click on next after typing the name you want to call your database. The step 2 is to create a user that is going to be allocated to that database. After typing a password for this database user, you click on create user. Nice. Tick the checkbox so you can allocate all privileges to this database user and click on next step. We're done. A quick recap: take the application into your file manager, you create a subdomain, you create database connected to a user using the MySQL wizard, then you launch the subdomain. So I'm going to copy this now and type on the browser. Nice, you can see it takes us straight to the setup page. So the SMS and Premium Shortcode application has a very simple installation process. The information you're going to provide there is the information you provided while creating your database using the MySQL database wizard. So I'm going to copy the database username. I'll come back to the tab where I have my setup page opened. The database password, I'm going to input it accordingly. I'll come over here, I'm going to pick the database name created. I'm going to paste it for the field for that, and when that is done, I'm going to click on install. When you click on install, it launches the admin side of this application automatically, and you can see an information here. The default admin login details is username admin, password admin. Wow, you see, we're done installing this wonderful SMS and Premium Shortcode application. Provided you input the right database information gotten from the database wizard interface, the application is going to open and install accurately. So all you need to do is to type the default admin information, which is admin and admin, and you click on login. It takes you to the licensing page where you are going to provide the license you got while purchasing this wonderful application, and the application is going to launch you into the admin dashboard immediately. Here we go. So you can see clearly now how the admin dashboard looks like. So that's a wonderful installation process. I hope you can install this on your own. If you find anything challenging, I advise you just replay the video and it's going to be very clear to you. After the installation is all completed, you launch into the admin dashboard. The first thing you have to do is to come to configuration, click on setup, so you can set the entire system up and attend to these various fields. Then your mobile marketing platform is all set. I wish you the best experience using this SMS application.